5 minutes to myself is all I ask for. But I have a cat sitting outside the door, and I have my friends texting me planning a trip, and I don't know what's happening. Hey besties. So if you don't know by now, I've been in the middle of a flare-up for a chronic illness that I have. What does that mean? That means that I haven't had much energy to do much of anything at all. Unfortunately, life doesn't stop just because I'm having a flare-up. That means that some days I put my big girl pants on and just do things that I don't have in me. Some of those things are more professional things, and some of those things I have to still put on makeup for. Some days doing my makeup wipes me out. I have absolutely nothing left to give after that, and I physically can't do anything. Coming from somebody that makeup used to be their favorite part of their daily routine, that hurts so much to not have the energy to do makeup anymore. But the days that I need to, I've come up with a quick morning routine that I'm able to just knock right out. Let's get into it, shall we?
Sneaking out my bed at night, I tell her turn the lights down low. I'm trying to figure out my mind. She always wonder where I go. Oh, making good music, coming home with a pocket full of tulips. You're trying to point it now at me like Cupid. I'm trying to end up in that pussy like tulips, but she wanna off my head, wanna off my head. Can we both forget? Baby, I don't know. Want me more or less? Want me more or less? Is it all for sex? Baby, I hope so. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I ain't got time if you think that you in love with me. So tell me what you want from me. Oh, and I ain't got time if you really wanna fuck. You're bitching all the time that you never get enough from me. So tell me what you want from me. Oh, sitting in the hotel lobby, you never get me off my phone. So shoot me like a paparazzi. You show up, then I got to go. Make good music. Everybody that I'm meeting is a doofus. They tryna point it now at me like Cupid. I'm tryna end up in that pussy like tulips. She wanna off my head, wanna off my head, my head. Can we both forget? Baby, I don't know. Want me more or less? Want me more or less, or less? Is it all for sex? Baby, I hope so. Well, I hope you tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I ain't got time if you think that you in love with me. So tell me what you want from me. Oh, and I ain't got time if you really wanna fuck. You're bitching all the time that you never get enough from me. So tell me what you want from me. Oh. Give me some bad advice. I hate when you ask me over. You drunk off a glass of wine. No wonder I'm acting sober. So cut me out of your life and leave me like class is over. When the day goes and the night comes, I'll still be your Casanova.
That's it, y'all. That's what I do in the mornings if I need to have a face of makeup when I am having a low energy day, when I'm in the midst of a flare-up. Is this what I like to do for makeup? Honestly, no. I love a good full coverage foundation. I love a good bright yellow and orange eyeshadow. If y'all haven't noticed that, that's my go-to. I love eyeliner. I love lots and lots of eyeliner because I never outgrew my emo phase. So why is this my go-to makeup? Because I don't have the energy for more than this. Because during a flare-up, I don't want to do anything. I want to sit on the couch and simply exist until I am better. But this is the real world, and we can't do that. I'm not gonna pretend that every day during a flare-up, I get up and I do this face of makeup. I don't. Because during a flare-up, I don't want to. I do this if I need to do my makeup. if I have something professional that I need to go to. This is quick, simple, low effort, and it makes me look a lot more put together than showing up with no makeup. Thank y'all so much for watching. To all my other chronic illness girlies out there, I see you, I feel you. We got this. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, otherwise YouTube will never tell you when I post. It's a little bit broken like that. Comment down below what your go-to routine is for days that you just don't have it in you, because this is mine. I know we all have those days. It's not just the chronic illness girlies. We all have those days where we just don't have it in us. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold.
So cold.